Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix camera not working on Discord. Camera not working on Discord? Don't worry, this is usually caused by either incorrect settings or another app using your camera. First, open Discord and go to User Settings and Voice and Video, then scroll to the Camera section and make sure the correct camera is selected from the drop-down list. You can also click Test Video to see if Discord is detecting it. If nothing appears, the next step is to check whether your camera works outside Discord by opening your Windows Camera app or searching Camera in the Start menu. If it works, but not in Discord, the issue is likely another program is already using it. Apps like OBS, Zoom, or browser tabs can block access to your webcam. Close any app that might be using the camera, then fully restart Discord. After reopening, go back to Voice and Video and try turning on the camera again. In most cases, this fixes the issue and your video should appear normally. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.